Good morning, kids. Hope you're enjoying your beautiful Friday morning from home. Just waking up, having a nice morning glass of something that makes you feel warm. Today, I haven't posted this yet here, but I am going to ask you to do one last thing for chemistry. We're going to take a test next week, so we'll do reviewing and stuff like that. I do want to remind you and say that I know you guys are all at home and you've done a good job, and this stuff's hard, even from home. I feel like you're doing most of it yourself sometimes, so it makes me stressed for you, but you've done a good job, and I know you don't get it as good as if you would have been in person, but I know hopefully it'll help you when you get into high school and you'd have to take a chemistry to graduate. So, but today, just to kind of wrap it all up, I'll show you. It's going to be when you click on it, I have two docs. The first one that you'll click on is the question sheet. They look the same kind of, but this is the question sheet, and it's called Coding the Periodic Table. Here's a link to the ptable.com. You're going to need that. Okay, it's not working for me, but ptable, boom. Okay, you're going to need your periodic table right there. But then, come on. What it's going to do, this first slide is talking about the periodic table in general. Then it goes down to go over the groups of the periodic table. And remember, all the groups are up and down. Group 1, Group 2, this is 3 through 12. This is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, so all the groups is going to tell you a little bit about all of them. So like hydrogen is its own group. It's in Group 1. Then below it is Group 1, alkali metals. Group 2, alkaline earth metals. Group 3 through 12, transition metals. Lanthanides and actinides, those are taken out of the periodic table, so it's not as long. You'll see those at the very bottom. Group 13 is the boron group. 14 is the carbon group. 15 is the nitrogen group. 16 is the oxygen group. 17 is called halogens, and the 18 are the noble gases. So this is all reading, this slight little bit of reading about it, and there are some questions on your answer sheet about that. So that's the second doc you'll open. And if you look right here, it says follow instructions to label the major groups and divisions of the periodic table. So this has some questions about that reading in there. You should be able to find all the answers in that reading that we just talked about. The next part is this one. Third slide, it says how to color. So when you open it, you are going to have to use the pencil tool. Don't open and then open it again further with that little arrow. Use the pencil because you're going to write on it and notate on it. But here are the things it wants you to do to the periodic table. So color the square for hydrogen pink. If you don't know where hydrogen is, you got to go back here and find it. Okay, I'll just help you out with this one. Boom, there it is. It's just one square, so when you go to the answer sheet here, you'll take your pencil. There it is. You'll color that bad boy pink. Okay, then stuff like lightly color all metals yellow. So if you go back here and you don't know where all the metals are, this thing's where you click on to see all the stuff. So like that's non-metals, that's the metalloids, that's the metal. So everything that lights up, color all those light, maybe in transparent color with your tool, yellow on here. So go back here and do all the ones that are metals yellow, and so on, and just finish that up. And then when you're all done with all those instructions and answering the questions on this and your things colored and circled, you don't have to literally type every element in there. Don't do that. Just do what it asks you to do right here and then turn it in. And that's it. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great weekend, and let's get ready to take our test and review and then go to some Christmas break action. All right. You guys have a great day.